are back with our fourth video of the Python series, and in this video we will be learning about strings. So this one video is going to be a short one, and it is a very simple one in the strings part. So let's start with the video. What is a string? Something that is surrounded by inverted commas. It may be single, it may be double, is a string. Like subscribe and subscribe, both are, we can consider them as strings. So let's revise one thing, like x is equal to supernova. Let's take it as x equals to supernova, and you also know that how to print this one. We can print it by just saying print x. Clear? We can print it by just saying print x. So it's printing supernova. Clear? So string is a value that is given to a variable, and we are printing the string as the value of variable. Clear? Now in the second part we will be playing with the strings. So let's do something creative. Let's say 3, not 23, let's say 2. If we print, it's printing 2. Why? If you did not understood that, now you can easily understand. Let's say 0, print it, it's giving s, means that the string has a place value, like the first character in the string has a place value of 0. Okay, and then u has the place value of 1, then 2 is your p. So when we will be printing 9 over here, what we will be seeing? Nothing is there. So it's supernova is a 9-letter word. So starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9-letter word, and it's ending in 8. So 9 will give an error. If we say 4, it will print, I guess, R. So clear? I think it's clear. So now the next thing is a loop. Let's say this one is a bit different. Like let's say for x in what? Apple. And this is a means for is a loop, and you will be learning about loops in the next videos or next chapters. That is a bit different type of concept, but in this string part we are just touching the base of loop. So let's learn it. Now I am printing x. Let's see the output. Clear? See, something is coming in a different way. Clear? So when it is in a loop, okay, so it's printing like the value of x in the 0th place, that is a, in the first place in the next line, that is p, in the second place you're getting the value. Means I think you cannot understand it properly now because you haven't learned about the loops. So just remember one thing, loop is something which rotates, it makes a round and comes to the same place. Clear? Just remember this thing, loop means rotation. Okay, now printing x is done. Now print the length of something, like take the value of a as butterfly, and now we will be printing the length of a. Clear it? Print it. It's 8. butterfly. Why 8? I haven't written the f. Now let's run it again. 9. So it's correct now. So we got to know how to print the length of a character. Now the next thing is that print something inside a text. Let's, this one is bit interesting. Let X be a complete sentence like, do you have a bottle of color, sorry, color blue and bag of color, color black, and we haven't given the equals to symbol sign. Now coming to the end, we had given X a value. Now if we printing what, let's say mango in X, try to understand it. We had given X a complete sentence, a value which is a complete sentence, and we are trying to find a mango inside X. Can we get it? False. It's false because mango is not there in the whole text of X. If we say do, it's false because do is not there, but I think do is there. If we write it capital, it will give true. See, it's true because we need to give it properly. Like if we write you, it will give false. But if we write y in the small, it will write true. Clear? And if I say not in X, then what is coming? Is u is not in the whole of X? It's present, so it will be returning false. So it's false. Clear? I hope it's clear now. Now let's change something to uppercase, like not changing that one. Let's say X dot upper first bracket. That's it. Clear the outputs, print it. See, whatever we have written over here is completely converted into uppercase letters in the output portion. And if I write it as lower and print it, everything is printed in lowercase. Whatsoever is there in the whole sentence. See, only one uppercase is there, that is D or do, and it is also converted into smaller case letters. And then replacing. Let's take a tricky one. Let's say Radha is tall. Okay, and replace X dot, here is the one, replace first bracket in the double quotation. I should write R should be replaced by G. That is an interesting one. If you are Radha, don't take it emotionally. It's just a funny thing. So it's changed by G and you can see it. Let's change it to Q. Run code. So simple. And no, let's make it a bit. Print it. See, every A is changed by P. So clear? So guys, this much was the part for our strings portion. It is a very simple part and very small part of Python. So for today, this much is the thing we had to learn, and in the next video we will be learning something else. And do subscribe the channel, like the video, and stay with us. We will be learning Python within few days. and we are working hard, and you have to also work hard. That's it. Goodbye.